Welcome to Blender for Beginners. Today we will learn how to duplicate an object. Okay, here I will show you two ways to duplicate an object. First, I'm going to select my object by left clicking, then I'm going here to the object menu here on top, object, and then click on copy objects. Then return to the object menu and then click on paste objects. Now if I press G to move my object, you can see I have created a duplicate. I'm going to delete this duplicate and now I will show you the faster way. Okay, I'm going to select my object and I'm going to press Shift D and then I'm going to move it and click and then I have a duplicate of my object. Okay, I'm going to delete it. If you want it to move in a straight line, or you can click, press Shift D and then right away press X and you move it completely horizontally to the other object. Okay, that is how you duplicate an object in Blender. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps me a lot. See you around!